Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Crimson Desert not showing or not being detected in the NVIDIA app on PC. Follow these steps one by one until the game appears. Let's get started. First, open the NVIDIA app, go to the graphics section, click on the three dots. Now click on Refresh. Try refreshing multiple times. Check if the game appears. Method 2. If the game is still not showing, click on the three dots again. Select Add Scan Location. Now navigate to your Crimson Desert installation folder. Select the folder and click Select Folder. Wait for the scan to complete. Check if the game is detected. Method 3. If it still doesn't show, close the NVIDIA app completely. Make sure it is not running in the background. Now reopen the NVIDIA app. You may need to restart it multiple times, 5 to 10 times. Then check again. Method 4. If the issue persists, restart your computer. After restarting, open the NVIDIA app again. Check if the game appears. Method 5. Open the NVIDIA app. Go to the Drivers tab. Click on Check for Updates. If there is an update available, install it. If your drivers are already updated, try to reinstall the driver. Once done, relaunch the NVIDIA app and check again. One of these methods should help your game show up in the NVIDIA app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.